All of you racing fans, good luck on your third set of winner take all, which starts here race number 7 all the way up. Race number 13, 3-year-old CHG handicap race. 1 and 2 merge. Distance of the race, 1,300 meters. Ten entries, but only 9 in numbers. All set. Ready to race. Race number 7. And they're on our way. We have Zapima draws for your lead. Pine Bluff is right behind in second. Moving up, Miss Mighty Zeus, Mr. Mackey. Running on the outside and by the rail is sneaking in. It's Amazing Party next in line. Eon. Hi, Madam Rhea. Then followed by Best Discovery and Strategic Manila is in behind them. Heading towards the 600, Zapima leading the field. Pine Bluff trying to get closer, sneaking in by the rail is Mighty Zeus as they race towards the 450. Zapima still leading the field. Mighty Zeus now catching the second spot. Pine Bluff is on the outside as they race at the final corner. Zapima with Jesse Biguse still leading the field. Jeff Zarate on Mighty Zeus trying to put the pressure on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Zapima still leading the field. Mighty Zeus is on the outside. Zarate on Mighty Zeus now doing the better. Zapima with Jesse Guse shuffle back in second. And finally, Mighty Zeus. Zapima, Pine Bluff, Eon, Madam Rhea for your Pentafecta.